Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. I post multiple haul videos from all different stores. I love finding deals, sales, fire stuffs, all that. So if you like shopping and the deals and viral trending stuff, definitely hit that subscribe button on there because you don't want to miss my hauls, trust me. And yeah, so today's video is a Dollar Tree haul. So me and my aunt go to multiple stores. We get the stuff we need, obviously, and like the trending stuff and stuff like that. And everything I show you is $1.25. So if you like shopping and all that, definitely subscribe and let's get into the video. So first category is like home, stationery, all that. So first thing I got is this double action 2-in-1 odor eliminator and air freshener, eucalyptus and spearmint. So, I like when I clean and stuff, I like to spray air fresheners. So I thought this would be really good because it's a 2-for-1. You get odor eliminator and air freshener. So, and I love eucalyptus. So, got her. Then we got these. I've never seen these before. By Gulen Chocolate Maria Cookies. And these are good till 2026. But yeah, so they're just chocolate cookies. I was pretty intrigued, so if you guys have tried these, please let me know. But yeah, we got those. Random. Then, look what is making an appearance again. These freaking voice-controlled lights. I love these freaking things. I got my family hooked on them. So this is a fantastic find. If you guys see it, snag it. Such a good deal. So, got her. Then, another restock. This is amazing. Such a good deal. You get the wipes and the pen in one pack. Like, just can't beat it. And they both works amazing. So, got another one of her. Then, on the lonely shelf by itself, we got one of each. We got the cucumber mint, and then the watermelon. Yeah, just lonely on a random shelf, not in the HBC aisle. Literally just random. I found them on the shelf. So these are amazing and refillable, and I found that out a few weeks ago. So I was super stoked to find at least one. Then we have this little planner. I plan everything, like literally weekly, what I'm going to do each hour. No, not hour, but like weekly each day. So I thought this was pretty good. So it literally just gives you a rundown of your week, and it's magnetic, which is even better. So got her. Then these are back, and I'm stoked. These are the Storage Essentials Shatter-Free Wine Holders. Stackable. I don't use them for wine bottles, obviously. But these are so good, not even just for, like, in the fridge, for, like, makeup. Or I actually did put all my, like, lipsticks in here and stack them and put them in the shelf this way so they didn't fall out. But yeah, these are such a good deal. So if you guys see them, definitely grab it. I love these things. Then we got, what is this? This is my aunt's bag. She got the 2-pack of mask gift set, marshmallow and pumpkin. Yeah, this is her bag. My little wine thing was on top, so this is her bag she gave me. I'm nervous. So we got the little face mask. Curious. Oh. Okay, and then she found these by the Candy Couture 3-piece oval blending brush set. Okay, I remember finding these a few weeks ago. I didn't know she did either. But you get a small, medium, and large oval blending brush. And this is a great brand, so got her. What else did she find? So curious. Okay. She got the Sophie hair ties. These are amazing. I hauled these. So we have the pink and tan, and then she got the black and blue too. So okay, so I did find this, and I was kind of intrigued. So it is just a hot or cold pain relief compress. So cold therapy for aches, pain, swelling, and bruising, and hot therapy for stiff joints and muscle pains. So yeah, it's just like a little packet that you put on. So I'm glad it's not a patch. So I thought this was a pretty good find. So kind of random, but not really. So with that. Then we got the 3-pack of notebooks. I love these because you get 3 big packs, and I love the colors. And as we know, I take notes on everything. So I was super stoked to find 3-pack of these different colors. So we got her. I'm trying to find somewhere to put it. Okay, then my aunt found this again, Brazilian Mist body wash. I do like this. Supposedly there's so many different like new dupes of Rio de Janeiro scents now. Just haven't found them yet. Hopefully I do. But yeah, I do like this body wash, but my aunt got this for her travel bag. Got that. Then we have this Freeman face mask, but it's rose gold. I remember we've seen the gold and the silver, but never rose gold. Like, I'm super, super stoked for this. So we have the Freeman rose gold face mask. Then we do have some new hair. So we have these 3 little elastics, and they're like Sherpa. And I'm obsessed with these colors, first off, and the material is so soft. So we got her. Then got some more of, I use these for 2 reasons. I use them like when my hair is drying after my shower, and on my wrist when I do my face routine. So it's such a good fine multi-purpose. So the leopard, the cheetah, and the beige. Then if you guys see this in every haul, don't even mind, but these are the best wipes ever. You can use them for so many different reasons, blah blah blah. Name brand, great find. So random. Then we have some, I hauled some of the Leger, I forget how to say it, name brand, like dupe, so we found some more scents. So now we found sweet mint, so we have that. Then we found the vanilla rose. Peach cobbler is my favorite, and apple martini, but these are the 2 new ones that we found. Okay, then we have this pack of face mask. It is the Peel Off Mask in Neon Vibes Ghosted Clean Pores. So I remember seeing the pink neon one, but never the blue. So, and again, a 2-pack is such a good steal. So we got that. Then, this is new by Beauty Intuition. It's the Scented Lip Balm in Cinnamon Bun. Like, are we kidding me? First off, this is ginormous. Second off, I love cinnamon buns. Perfect around the holidays. But for a freaking lip balm, I'm so stoked. Actually, we have to try it. I have to know. This one is not a gift, so I can open it. I hope it, let's see what it smells like. Oh, okay, wait. It does smell like a Cinnabon. Yeah, my top. It's like a Cinnabon, but it's not. I don't know how to explain it, but it definitely is moisturizing. So, good find. If you guys see it, grab it. Okay, then by, again, Beauty Intuitions, Sweet Lips Scented Lip Balms. So we get 3 little lip balms. We have, what is it? Let's see. Cake batter, cherry on top, and strawberry frosting. Cake batter is I'm stoked for. But these 3 little minis, stocking stuffer goals, and so we have those. Why did I say that? I have no idea. Oh, then I found these again. I'll pick these up every time by the Sophie brand. These are the little section and clips. If you guys put highlights in your hair, these are essential. For really, these are just great. So we have her. Then, oh yeah, and then you guys know the dupe. The peach cobbler is my favorite, so my aunt got me another one. I love that thing. It's so good. Then we have, oh, this is another new one, lavender. I did not find lavender, so now we found, what is it, lavender honey. So, super stoked for that. Okay, then we have, most of this, yeah, the rest of this is all lips, except for this one product. But I got another one of these cleansing mitts. These are phenomenal, and when you see them once and it's like disappears. So I love this, so got another one of those. Okay, but the rest of this is all lips. So first off, we have Beauty Intuitions scented lip balms, and this is in Rainbow Cookie. So I'm super stoked about this. I've heard so many mixed reviews, like it's great, it's horrible. So let's smell this thing and see what it smells like first off. Okay, it really doesn't have any scent, in my opinion. So that is a Rainbow Cookie. Then we have Lemon Meringue See, we're gonna have to smell all of these because I need to know if TikTok is true. So this is lemon meringue. Well, I can already smell the lemon without opening it. Okay, yeah, that's definitely very strong lemon. So that is lemon meringue. If you do not like lemon, do not get this because it is very, very, very strong. Okay, then we have red velvet, which this is the one on TikTok, which I've seen horrible reviews about. So I'm actually terrified. Like, I'm actually nervous. It literally smells exactly like red velvet. So let's try it on our lips. Let's put it on our bottom with nothing. I don't understand why people hate it. I love this. Okay, we have 3 more in the little collection. So we have blueberry pie. Blueberry pie. Sugar cookie. I love the packaging. And coconut cream. So let's just open them and smell them all. Yeah, I'm a huge fan of that rainbow cookie. So this is coconut. You can smell the coconut right when you take it out. Oh yeah, that's definitely coconut cream. Again, if you don't like coconut, do not get this. So this is coconut cream. Love the scent. And now we're doing sugar cookie. I'm excited about this one. I don't know what this can smell like though, you know what I mean? Oh, it smells like vanilla frosting. So, okay, I like that scent. So we have sugar cookie. And then blueberry pie, I'm actually stoked for. I really hope I don't get let down. Because, like, when you watch those TikTok reviews, you get real nervous. It's like you already bought it, and then it's like you watch that. Okay. Oh, yeah. This smells so good. Definitely blueberry. So far, I like the scent of all of these, and I definitely like the rainbow cookie or rainbow pie or whatever the rainbow one was on my lips. Okay, next up. I got another one of the kiwi things from the boba. I mean, no, this was the juice bar collection. I love the scent. I haven't seen it, so got another one of that. Then we got Lee Mercier number 721. Don't remember getting this shade, and I love like this shade, especially for this kind of time of the year, weather season. So we got her. Then we got from the bubble tea collection, which I feel like we haven't seen in forever, got chocolate latte. I'm obsessed. Like, I just love this. So, and I didn't realize there was glitter inside it either. So we got her. And then the last 2 items I'm super stoked for. Okay, we have the Kylie Jenner lip dupes, and I never when she first came out with them, I bought them, and I'm just like realizing after TikTok and everyone hyping it up that they're the dupes, I'm like, wow. So we have Nude Mood, and then we have Red Rebel. So these are the 2 little dupes. I'm gonna take them out. We're gonna swatch. But yeah, for $1.25, score. Let's swatch. All right, we're kind of up close and personal. So we're gonna do what one is this? The red one. I don't know the name of this. The red one on our top. So first off, definitely a nice pencil. So okay, I do like it. Okay, I do like it. So I'm not like finishing. So I definitely like the lip liner. Now for the lipstick. Let's see. Okay, not a lot on the little. Okay, this is actually really nice. Yeah, as you can see, it's really red. So I'm a fan. So, okay. Oh, got some on my bottom lip. Oops. But okay, so far, I definitely like this. So now I have to get the red off my lip. Okay, now we're gonna try the nude. So let's see. Oh, okay, I do like the lip liner. So we'll swatch it on my wrist too. I do like the lip liner. So right now, like that. Now let's do the liquid lip. I'm gonna look funky with two different lips. Okay, I do like it, but I'm definitely a fan. So I am not mad at these Kylie Jenner dupes. So if you guys want, I have my real Kylie. I can do like a test to see like literally. But if you guys see this, I definitely recommend getting them. But that completes my Dollar Tree haul. I hope you guys enjoyed. Definitely don't forget to subscribe and share the channel. And yeah, comment down below what you guys are on the hunt for, what I should be on the hunt for, and your favorite item. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next haul.